Hey guys, in this video I would be showing you some really useful advanced F2L algorithms. These F2L algorithms are for advanced solvers. So let's start. So for our first case, we have these two, this edge in the middle layer and this corner oriented like this. Maybe if you face it right here, you would just rotate and solve this like this, but that takes a rotation and we can solve it without a rotation. So we hold it the corner in the left top corner and do r u r prime, and so this case is a really easy case for r normal F12. So r u r prime and cancellation into this pair like r2 u prime and just r to solve this pair and cancellation in the next move. For the second case, we have the F12 pair into its own slot, but it's in the back. So what I first did normally was you and just sledge like this and insert, which is kind of okay, but it takes two rotations, which is not good, a very good sign. So you match them and do this algorithm r u r prime f r f prime r to solve this F12. For the third case, when we have this pair right here and that needs to go in its slot, so normally we would rotate and just insert it, but to avoid that rotation you do this algorithm wide r prime u prime r u m prime. Or you have also a situation, one more way to do it. You do f r f prime holding it from this angle. For our fourth case, when we have this F12 pair matched and it goes into the slot right here, so what we would do is u prime f and just insert it like so and just do a f prime to end up our moves. This thing also works for diagonal swapping F12 cases. For example, this case goes right here. So we hold it like this, do F, insert it and reverse